Buddy, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through the old book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 for a Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm on program number 38, Whiz 2, 3-digit mystery. I'm going to read the program description, open up Classic 99, type the program into TI Basic and Classic 99, run it, see what we can make it do, and see what we can learn from it. Okay, let's read the description for program number 38, Whiz 2, 3-digit mystery. Have your neighbor secretly select any 3-digit number in which all 3 digits are the same. Then have him tell the computer only the sum of those 3 digits. The computer will identify his secret number. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it's not a very long program. 10, call clear. 20, print, select a 3-digit number. Print all 3 digits the same. All 3 digits the same. 40, print. 50, print, add the digits together. 60, print. 70, print, what is the sum? Input of the 3 digits. And we're going to call that N. 90. If N is less than 3, then 80. If N is less than 3, then 80. 100 if N is greater than 27. N is greater than 27, then 80. Little boundary condition checking here on the input, validating the input in other words. Okay, 110, Q equals 37 times N. 120, print. 130, print. 140, call sound. Looks like 100, 1001. It's 100 milliseconds, 1000 hertz, and a volume of 1. 150, print, your number is. Your number is. We have space, quote, semicolon, and Q. 160, print. 170, print. 180, go to 20. Okay, let's list out the program, looking for any obvious typos. The main thing I want to check is the math here. So Q equals 37 times N on line 110. Q equals 37 times N, that looks good. Let's clear the screen. Let's run the program. Oop, hold on, got a problem here. List. Oh, yep, it's a typo on line 50. Should be add the digits together. Let's fix that real quick. Print, add the digits together. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, select a 3-digit number, all 3 digits the same, add the digits together. What is the sum of the 3 digits? Okay, well, let's see. Let's say we're doing 111. Sum of the three digits is 3. Your number is 111. Let's do all the above. So if it's 222, that would be 6. And if it's 333, that would be 9. 444 would be 12. 555 would be 15. 666 would be 18. 777 would be 21. There we go. Let's see, 888 would be 24. And 999 would be 27. What if you do 0? Oh yeah, it doesn't like that. It's got to be in something greater than 0. Okay, let's run the program once more. I'm going to get a screenshot here because I'm such a troll. I'm going to do what is the sum of the three digits? 18. Your number is 666. There we go. All right, so let's do all 3 in reverse. All 9 possible combinations here in reverse. So 27, that would be 999. 24 would be 888. 21 would be 777. 18 would be 666. 15 would be 555. 12, 444. 9, 333. 6 would be 222. And 3, 111. And that is all she wrote for Whiz 2 3-Digit Mystery from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. If you're watching this after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, my Twitch handle, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming. I'm working on a retro video game in Pico 8. Lots of World of Warcraft live streaming and miscellaneous educational content of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth for lots of live streaming and all the above topics. In any case, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions, especially subscriptions, which help me greatly in these financially troubling times. These are not easy times, so hanging my shingle out, doing some retro content. So I really appreciate the subscriptions and the enthusiasm in general. In any case, I'm going to be going through all 101 programs from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A computer in the coming days, possibly weeks, hopefully just days. In any case, stay tuned for the next video and check out all videos in this series, those I've done already and those yet to come, on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.